and gentlemen, Audi has always been a pioneering brand, questioning the status quo and taking daring steps. The combination of cutting-edge technology and design has made us successful in the past. Now it's time to take the next step. I'm proud to present to you, on behalf of the entire Audi team, the Audi Concept C. The Concept C is a preview of a model which we will see soon on the road. An all-electric sports car committed to pure driving fun. The vertical frame is at the center of the new face. And it comes with an innovative roof concept that, open or closed, always embodies our design language. In the interior, we free our customers from distractions. It's not about showcasing technology. We want to provide users with relevant information at the right time. Sophisticated materials and technical precision transform every interaction into a refined and emotional experience. This car is the first manifestation of the new design philosophy of Massimo Frascella and his team, building on the legacy and essence of the four-ring. In a world which is getting increasingly complex, our answer is clarity. This is the essence of our new design philosophy. We achieve clarity by refocusing on what really matters. Exterior and interior are reduced to the essential: no overload, no unnecessary features. This requires intelligent technical solutions, precision, and an intense focus on craft and refinement. But the outcome has to be an emotion. The new design philosophy emphasizes the qualities that represent our brand, and it reflects what kind of organization we want to be, what we stand for. The new design is part of our fundamental realignment to strengthen our position in the global competition. The Audi Agenda, as a transformation and strategy program, has already accelerated our transformation. Over the past 2 years, we have set the course for future success and achieved a lot. For instance, with the renewal of our portfolio. With 20 new models in 2024 and 2025, we are investing heavily in our product substance. By the end of the year, we will have the youngest portfolio in the competitive segment. Well balanced between ICE, plug-in hybrids and battery electric vehicles, and the broad range of RS and S models. But we are not only repositioning our portfolio, but the entire company. We have reached the next chapter in our transformation. The daring step in design we are taking marks the next step in our company's evolution. Clarity will be a guiding principle for our products, our brand, and for our company. Portfolio, processes, and structures, they will focus on the essential, creating space for innovation and technological leadership. In everything we do, clarity will guide us. The starting point is our design and this car, but there's more to come. Thank you.